This is the one. 552 Crestgrove Avenue in Vandalia is officially on the market, and we're hosting an open house on Saturday, August 29th, 10:30 to noon. Rochelle Watkins with NavX Realty, and this 4-bedroom, 2-bath bi-level has everything you're looking for and everything you didn't know you wanted. Beautiful hardwood floors that feel like home, a finished lower level with built-ins and a beautiful fireplace, perfect for family time and entertaining when you step outside to a fenced backyard with a deck and a patio where you actually want to spend your weekends. The roof is newer, the kitchen and bathroom have been beautifully updated, and you're moving into a home that is ready. It's not a project. Quiet neighborhood, top-rated schools, close to shopping, dining, and easy interstate access. This is the lifestyle you've been looking for. Our open house is Saturday, August 29th from 10:30 to noon. I'll see you there. Or text me at 937-272-1276 to schedule your own private showing beforehand. Homes like this do not wait. Do not miss out. Again, Rochelle Watkins with NavX Realty. Let's navigate home together.